We understand that you were hurt, you had complaints as disclosed by Senator Amy Marcos.
I'm a part of the organization, particularly the PNP. Once I receive order, everybody, ay susunod. Wala naman akong ginawa. And then I followed the order when I was designated as APC in Western Mindanao. Yun lang po ang trabaho. We follow orders.
As a person po, were you shocked or did you feel that was in any way unfair?
Well, siyempre, member ako ng isang organization. Order is order. We need to follow order. Personally, nasa-shock din tayo or nagulat din tayo. He is the chief of the PNP. Susundin po natin.
Did you ever bring up your gripes or concerns to General Torre at that time?
He gave the order and then I acceded to that order.
Did he tell you or give you any reason at all for why na-reshuffle po kayo? Not just you, but also the other officers.
Talking about that position or placement, that is Area Police Command for Western Mindanao with the rank of Lieutenant General. And then, of course, there is a pressing concern, especially so that number one, of course, is yung ating parliamentary election in Bangsamoro region of Mindanao. So I will be in charge to look at the operations, especially the security aspects in the election. So yun po ang instruction.